Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Iron Nest Heavy Turret Simulator game not launching won't launch issue or launching fail problem, stuck on loading screen problem or not loading issue, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PC. So without wasting time, let's follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. First fix is to restart Steam or restart your PC. So click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will exit the Steam, then relaunch Steam and then relaunch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then simply restart your PC once, and once your PC restart, then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Fix 2. Verify the game files. Open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, click on properties, go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Fix 3. Modify game launch options. You can try -dx11, -dx12 or -d3d11. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, click on properties. In the launch options, first type -dx11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, again go to the game properties, this time type -dx12, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the game properties, this time type -d3d11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the game properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 4. Run the game from game installation folder, run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now first double click this Iron Nest Heavy Turret Simulator exe file and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from here and check. If that doesn't work, then also check mark run this program in compatibility mode for. From the drop down select Windows 8, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from here and check. If it's still not working, from the drop down here select Windows 7, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then also check mark disable full screen optimization option, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from here and check. Now after following all these fixes, if it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes, just uncheck all of them, hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 5. Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open the Windows security. Click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Click on add an allowed app, browse all apps, and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder. Open the Iron Nest Heavy Turret Simulator game folder. Select this exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back. Click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings. Click on allow another app. Click on browse and then browse to the game installation folder. So again open C drive, program files x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder. Open the Iron Nest Heavy Turret Simulator game folder. Select the exe file and then click on open and then click on add. In my case it is already added. You can see over here it is already added, and after adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark and then click on OK to save the changes, and then you can go ahead relaunch the game and check. Now if you're using any third-party antivirus software on your PC such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT or Webroot, then you have to allow the game exe file to your antivirus program as well, and then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program and then check. Later you can turn on your antivirus program after playing the game. Fix 6. Update your graphics card driver. So NVIDIA users can update their graphic card driver via NVIDIA app. AMD users can update their graphic card driver via AMD Adrenal software. So NVIDIA users in Windows search type NVIDIA app and open the NVIDIA app. Go to drivers tab, click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available, then you will see the download button. So click on download and install it, and then just restart your PC once, and once your PC restart, then you can go ahead launch the game again and check. Similarly, AMD users open the AMD Adrenal software and look for the graphic card driver update, and if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And after updating the graphic card driver, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to run the game on dedicated graphics card driver. So in Windows search, type graphics settings and open the graphics settings. Click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder. Open the Iron Nest Heavy Turret Simulator game folder. Select this exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it in the list over here. Here it is, expand it, and next to GPU preference, select high performance. And also make sure optimizations for windowed games is turned on, and then you can go ahead, relaunch the game and check. Fix 8 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. First click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it. Next click on x86 version. Again, if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it, and then just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC, and once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 9, select high performance in NVIDIA control panel app. So in Windows search, type NVIDIA control panel and open the NVIDIA control panel app. Click on manage 3D settings, then click on program settings, then click on add, and from the list over here, look for Iron Nest game. Here it is, select it and then click on add selected programs. Now if you don't see Iron Nest over here, then click on browse and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder. Open the Iron Nest Heavy Turret Simulator game folder. Select Iron Nest Heavy Turret Simulator exe file and then click on open. After adding it, from the drop down here, select high performance NVIDIA processor and then hit on apply button to save the changes. Don't forget to hit on apply button. And after saving the changes, then you can go ahead and relaunch the game and check. Fix 10 is to turn off or turn on hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. So in Windows search, type graphics settings and open the graphics settings. Then expand the advanced graphics settings, and here you will see hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. If it is turned on, then turn it off. Now you will need to restart your PC for this change to take effect. So simply restart your PC once, and once your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. But if it is already off, then turn it on and then again restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to set power saver in power options, or you can also try different power plan and check. So in Windows search, type control panel and open the control panel. Click on hardware and sound. Click on power options. Now in my PC it is only showing balanced option, but in your PC if it is showing power saver, high performance and balanced, then first select power saver and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you can also select high performance and then launch the game and check. So basically you can switch between balanced, power saver, high performance and check which one works for you. Fix tool is to lower down graphics settings if able to launch the game. So you can follow this fix if you are able to launch the game. So first of all, launch the game, and once you're on this menu screen, click on settings, go to graphics tab. You can limit the FPS to 60 FPS or even to 45 FPS. You can turn on VSync and then check. If that doesn't work, then you can turn it off and set the FPS limit to 60 FPS or 45 FPS. Now you can set the windowed mode to window and check. Now make sure to change the graphics quality to medium or low. If it is selected high, then you can select medium or low or very low and then check. And after making the changes, don't forget to hit on apply button to save the changes and then close it. And then again relaunch the game and check. Fix 13 is to delete the Iron Nest Heavy Turret Simulator saved game folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all the saved game progress and saved settings. So if you want, then you can keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. So here how to do it. Open File Explorer, open C drive, open Users folder, open your username folder, open App Data folder. Now if you don't see App Data folder over here, then click on this view. So and check mark hidden items. Then open the App Data folder Then open the local folder and here look for Iron Nest folder. Here it is. Open it and here you can see Iron Nest Heavy Turret Simulator folder, and the second one is Iron Nest _ Heavy Turret Simulator folder. Select both of them. After selecting both of them, right click on it and then select copy, and then go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup of both the folder. And after keeping the backup of both the folder, select both of them and then right click on it and then select delete to delete it, and then you can go ahead relaunch the game and check. Fix 14 is to disable overlays. Disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, click on properties, and here you will see enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just toggle it off and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay. If you have installed Discord on your PC, then disable Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general turn off in-game overlay. You can also open NVIDIA app, go to settings, and here you will see NVIDIA overlay. Just toggle it off. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Fix 15 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. If you have any kind of overclocking software, then do not overclock it, just set it to default. Disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick, controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 16 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings, on the left click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available, then download and install all of them and then just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC, and once your PC restart, then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall Iron Nest Heavy Turret Simulator game from your PC, then restart your PC once and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive, and then you can go ahead launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix Iron Nest Heavy Turret Simulator game not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.